Welcome back to 4K Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your rear speaker kit LG SPQ8-S wireless speakers. This is where we replaced them. This is the unit here. On the back here, once you have everything plugged in set up, you're going to hit the pairing button here. Then you're going to come all the way across over here. And I have the subwoofer over here. It actually communicates through the subwoofer, and there's a pairing button here. Just press that button and automatically they will pair. I hope this helps. Thanks for viewing.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.